Hey everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. Today we're going to show you how to rank number 1 on YouTube with VidIQ and show you some YouTube SEO strategies. Make sure to stick it to the end of the video because we're going to show you a secret strategy to go viral on YouTube with VidIQ. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos on making money online. So, what is VidIQ? VidIQ is a video optimization and marketing platform that provides users with insights and tools to improve their video content and grow their audiences. The platform offers a suite of tools to help users understand their audience, track their performance, and optimize their videos for SEO. In addition, VidIQ provides users with access to communities of professionals who can offer advice and support. Whether you're looking to improve your YouTube channel or build a following on another video sharing platform, VidIQ can help you reach your goals. VidIQ also provides users with insights into what keywords are being used to search for videos, as well as information on related videos. VidIQ offers a number of tools to help users optimize their YouTube channel, including the ability to track channel growth and analytics. Overall, VidIQ is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to improve their YouTube channel or better understand the platform. For ranking, there are a lot of factors that go into ranking number 1 on YouTube, and that's where VidIQ comes in. VidIQ is a tool that helps you optimize your video for the algorithms YouTube uses to rank videos. It also provides insights into what tags and keywords are most popular with your audience, so you can use them to get even more views. In addition, VidIQ can help you track your progress over time and see which videos are performing the best. With all these features, VidIQ is an essential tool for anyone who wants to rank number 1 on YouTube. Here are some features VidIQ includes that help you rank number 1 on YouTube. Number 1, VidIQ Keyword Inspector. The VidIQ Keyword Inspector is a valuable tool for any serious YouTuber. It allows you to see how difficult it would be to rank for a particular keyword, and also provides insights into which keywords your competitors are targeting. The Keyword Inspector is easy to use. Simply enter a keyword and select the country you want to target. The results page shows you the difficulty of ranking for that keyword, as well as the estimated CPC, cost per click, and traffic potential. You can also see which of your competitors are targeting the same keyword. This information can be invaluable in developing your video marketing strategy. With the Keyword Inspector, you can see what people are searching for and how often they're doing so. You'll get information on related keywords as well as our VidIQ scores in order to better understand whether or not this particular root term is still trending at any given time. The tool also displays when tentpole events like Thanksgiving start trends, all useful data that will help your marketing efforts reach new heights. Number 2, the Keyword Translation Tool. Not everyone speaks the same language, which can make it difficult to target a global audience with your videos. To help you reach your wider audience, VidIQ has introduced a keyword translation tool. With this tool, you can take English keywords and translate them into over 100 different languages. This way, you can ensure that your videos are being seen by people all over the world. In addition, the tool will also show you how many people are searching for those keywords in each language. This way, you can tailor your videos to the language that have the most demand. With VidIQ, you can have titles translated and descriptions customized for each individual language, all while keeping keywords intact so they are still ranking well on Google. So whether you're looking to expand your reach or simply want to communicate with a global audience, VidIQ Keyword Translation Tool can help. Number 3, Video Tag Keywords. If you want to add some structure to your videos and make them more SEO friendly, then you should definitely start using VidIQ tags. VidIQ tags are short keywords that describe the content of your video. They help YouTube understand what your video is about so that it can be accurately indexed and shown to users who are searching for that type of content. In addition, VidIQ tags can also help YouTube determine which videos to suggest to viewers after they finish watching one of your videos. When you're looking for some inspiration on what to put in your video, VidIQ will help by suggesting keywords. It's like YouTube recommending search queries as we type something out. So if you're not already using VidIQ tags, be sure to start today. Number 4, Keyword Tag Templates. For YouTubers who are looking to get the most out of their video SEO, we highly recommend using VidIQ's Keyword Tag Templates. Simply enter your target keywords into the template, and VidIQ will generate a list of tags that you can use to optimize your video, in addition to helping you rank for your target keyword. The tags will also help you rank for related keywords that you may not have thought of. As a result, using VidIQ's keyword tag templates is an easy way to boost your video SEO and get more views. If you're looking to save time, then it's worth considering creating a keyword template that will help with your video creation process. This way, all the core terms and the keywords can be entered once instead, then repeatedly adding them each step along in order for everything to go smoothly. Number 5, the bulk video SEO and optimized tool. VidIQ Bulk SEO is an online tool that helps you to improve your website's search engine optimization. The tool provides you with a list of key phrases and keywords that you can use to improve your site's ranking in the search engines. In addition, VidIQ Bulk SEO also provides you with a list of backlinks that you can use to increase your site's popularity. The tool is easy to use and it only takes a few minutes to get started. With VidIQ Bulk SEO, you can be sure that your websites will be well optimized and will rank high in the search engine. VidIQ Bulk SEO claims to be able to improve click-through rates and organic reach. While the tool is still in its early stages, it has the potential to be a valuable resource for content creators who are looking to improve their search engine ranking. With its ability to automate many of the tedious tasks associated with SEO, VidIQ Bulk SEO can help content creators save time and increase their chances of being found online. Now that we've gone over some of the VidIQ tools, I believe it's time for me to give you some YouTube SEO tips to help you rank to number 1. If you have any thoughts about this video, let us know in the comments below. Number 6, competitor analysis. VidIQ has a powerful competitor analysis tool that can help you understand what your competition is doing right and where they're falling short. Here are some tips to get the most out of the VidIQ competitor analysis tool. First, take advantage of the keyword research tool. This will help you identify the keywords that your competitors are targeting and give you insights into which keywords are most effective. Next, use the competitive landscape report to see how your competitors are performing on YouTube. This report will show you things like total views, average views per video, and subscriber growth. Finally, don't forget to use VidIQ's toolbar while you're watching your competitors' videos. The toolbar provides valuable data about each video, including things like views per hour. Number 7, optimize your YouTube channel. If you're like most people, you probably spend a lot of time on YouTube. Whether you're watching cat videos, keeping up with the latest news, or learning how to cook a new dish, YouTube is a great resource for just about everything. But if you're looking to get more views on your own channel, you'll need to do a little bit of work to optimize it for search engines. Here are a few tips. Choose a catchy and keyword-rich title for your videos. This will help them show up in the search results. Create transcripts for your videos and include them in the description. This helps YouTube algorithms understand what your videos are about and make them more likely to appear in the related search results. Number 8, channel keywords. If you're looking to get your videos seen by more people on YouTube, then you'll need to make sure you're using channel keywords. Channel keywords are essentially the same as regular keywords, but they're specific to your channel. That means that when people search for channels like yours, your channel will come up in the results. To add channel keywords, go to your YouTube channel settings and click on Advanced. Then, enter your keywords in the channel keywords box. Make sure to include a mix of general and specific keywords and don't use too many keywords or your channel could be penalized. If you're not sure which keywords to use, try doing a search on YouTube to see what comes up. You can also find channel keywords on the VidIQ site in the keyword research section. Number 9, YouTube video description. If you're looking to get more views on your YouTube videos, one of the best things you can do is write an engaging and informative description. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Number 1, start with a catchy opening sentence that will make people want to watch your video. Give an overview of what your video is about without giving away too much. Use keywords throughout the description so that people can easily find your video when they're searching for something related. Include a call to action at the end, such as asking people to subscribe to your channel or share the video with their friends. By following these tips, you can ensure that your video descriptions are fully optimized and ready or potentially be seen by millions of viewers. Before we reveal the secret strategy, be sure to like and subscribe and press the bell icon notification. There's something called the rule of 33, which means you upload 33 videos on YouTube for a chance to get at least one video to go viral out of the 33 videos you've uploaded. The first 16 videos should be based from keyword research, and the remaining 17 videos should be based from trending videos. You should learn this from Matt Parr, who owns a successful YouTube personality channel and owns multiple faceless channels. He has created an amazing course that will explain the Rule of 33 in full details. You can check it out below if you're serious about starting your own YouTube channel. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.